Hi everyone, Nathan here. I'm taking apart this iConnect Audio 4 audio interface. I bought it 3 months ago, and I know what you're thinking. Well, you probably shouldn't be taking it apart if it's under warranty. Well, that's what I said too. Someone from iConnect actually told me to take it apart and see if I could find an issue with it. They're concerned about it, so don't try this at home, folks. Unless you have Scooby-Doo. Wait a minute, that's Melvin Kids. Never mind. So I'm just going to take this thing apart real quick here, and there's this nice rattle with it. And I'm holding this, so that's not what I just took apart. There's this nice rattle with it, so I don't know what the problem is there, but it did that ever since the day I bought it. So I actually used this device three Sundays in a row, and I didn't realize that I was having a problem with it. And then one day I realized that channel 4 is the only channel on the back here that doesn't that the audio sounds normal. So I contacted iConnect, and they're like, hey, you know, you should. So they tried to get me they tried to help me out with some interface stuff, and they couldn't seem to find a problem with it. So then now the guy said, well, hey, we think some of the capacitors, I believe is what he said, might be a problem. So note to self, I don't think I need to take that front off. Oh well. He said there was 6 screws. I figured it was those side screws, and then these ones are black, so these ones are a different color, so you don't need to, so that way we don't get them confused. Makes sense because the frame of this thing is black. Am I still in frame, Eric? Okay, and must be the top here. This back and top looks like one panel, so okay. So I was saying I used this thing 3 weeks in a row, and yeah, I already told that story. Never mind. I didn't realize there was a problem, and then one day I figured it out. There's a problem. So the company's been helpful. Hopefully this will answer some questions. Oh, there's one screw here. Eric, do you have a normal screwdriver? That must be like a safety, so they're like, sure, you're sure you want to take this thing apart, right? Yep. So I'm just shooting this video to document me taking it apart, because I don't want there to be any issues. I mean, I know the guys from the company are the ones that told me, and I have evidence that they told me, but no, that thing connects to that. It should just pop right apart. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's this. Okay, let's find out what is. I'm just gonna flip it over to find out.
It's right over there, that blue thing inside.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. So it looks like that blue. I'm gonna turn it over here in a minute, but it looks like that blue one there is, yeah, that one's loose. So that came off of, I don't know where that popped off of, but then there's one right here. It's about ready to, oh, that one must have come off right here. But then there's that one right there is about ready to fall off. And these two are also, both of these are moving, and then this one, oh man, that thing's, wow, how could that have happened? That seems crazy, Eric. Can you give me another camera? Go grab my DSLR off of the, it's sitting on the table. Wow. There's like a shell there. I just can't even imagine how that could have happened. They're all, it looks like the capsules are all laying there, and the, it's on, okay. No carbon camera. My little case is my bag or something. One moment, folks. That's the card for this camera.
Oh,
That size one. Okay, now let's see if we can get some photographs of this. See if we can get some more light in here. Eric, don't move that. Crazy thing. Am I too close? I can't imagine how that's possible. Okay, well, I think that's enough pictures. Well, thanks for watching. I hope yours doesn't look like this, and I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.